Do you have those deep frown lines? Perhaps those lines stuck between the eyes? Well, it could be because you have stuck fascia. So in today's video, we're going to do a really calming deep frown line fascia release. We're then finishing off with the all-important lymphatic drainage. So we're also reducing toxins and waste around the forehead and between the eye area. So first things first, you want to sit down with your feet firmly on the ground and your shoulders nice and relaxed, making sure that we're nice and straight and that our ear is in line with our shoulder. This is really helping for oxygen and maximum blood flow and circulation and detoxification to the neck and also the head area. So I like to start with clean skin, and as always I'm using a little bit of my Kinship facial oil here. If you have a face cream, that's fine too, but it's really a good idea to have a bit of a grip and glide so you're not compromising the skin for dragging or pulling at it, for instance. So first into the fingers, warming it through, and then just gently place on the forehead, relaxing the forehead. Now we hold a lot of tension in the facial area, and if we're scrunching our forehead and we're creasing, we're creating those lines and wrinkles here. So we really want to calm down the nervous system. So just gently applying on the forehead and also the temples, front of the ears, behind the ears, and just down either side of the neck to the collarbone. So where our collarbone is, just above, we have some indentations. Taking the pads of the fingers, if you can just give those a few gentle presses, this really does open up the gateways for the lymphatics for the head and the neck area. And then just doing a little bit of gentle tapping, and we're improving blood flow and circulation on the forehead and also between the eyes here. So placing our finger as a hook here, I'm just placing it between the eyes, and you just want to gently breathe in for 4, in through the nose and out for 6, and then as you start to breathe out, just smelt the finger in between the eyes here, getting down to that bone. And then just work in a round circular motion one way. Now we're not dragging at the skin. And what we're doing here is a great myofascial technique. So by doing this, we're really helping unstick any stuck fascia which is tight and stuck to the bone. This will allow for more space between this area for more nutrients, blood flow, circulation, and also for detoxification. And then working the other way. Again, nice, relaxed face. Slow and mindful, and then just very gently glide in an upwards motion here with the fingers heading towards the scalp area. And then placing our fingers here, let's work slightly along here, finger as an anchor, and just very gently glide towards the hairline. Now if you find any pinkiness, that's fine. That's just blood flow and circulation heading towards the surface of the skin. Obviously if it's a little painful, you can always lift up your fingers slightly and decrease the pressure if you like. And again, just going nice and slow and mindful, doing our deep belly breathing in through the nose, 4 and out through the nose for 6. Calming everything down. And then just further along from the top of the eyebrow all the way up, light touch towards the hairline, and again a nice little wiggle at the end. And then on the other side, taking the finger as a hook, another finger just as a anchor here, and just very gently glide along. Again, we're releasing any tight fascia which is stuck to the bone here. Again, great myofascial release. And again, holding, gripping, melting into the skin. It's a really good idea if you can do this in the mirror as well, so you can actually see what you're doing. Just gently gliding all the way along. And then taking our fingers side by side, let's work in lots of different directions. This is a light touch. Again, we're actually helping releasing any tight fascia superficially. And the fascia is a connective tissue sort of system throughout the whole of the body. And by working on the forehead and the frown lines here, again, we're just softening everything. If it is tight, it will drag everything down. So by actually softening and creating space, we're going to be lifting everything up from the forehead and also that frown line area here. And then taking our fingers here, let's just very gently massage in a round circular motion between the eyes. And you may find not a little pocket. You can also just give that a little extra rub, again in lots of different directions. Making sure that you're not dragging at the skin. And that's why it's so important to have a really nice, very nice light facial oil, not too oily. You want a bit of a grip and glide. And again, just round circular motions now with the finger, just using one finger here, calming down the nervous system. And if you do have some redness on your forehead or between the eyes, it will soon disappear. Again, just blood flow and circulation. Blood flow coming up to the skin surface. Now, I've been a facialist for the last 8 years and I'm really passionate to help you on your skincare journey. So please comment down below, and if there's any other fascia techniques you'd love me to share with you, I will consider those. And then just lifting up with the fingers here. And then taking the fingers by the side of the temples, a nice somatic massage in a way, round circular motions where we hold a lot of tension here. And the other way. It's also calming down the nervous system. Again, so we're not creating any more of those fine lines and wrinkles. If we're scrunching our face, you end up with that fascia patterning, if you like, of mapping, where it then just wants to stick into place. So we're just releasing this, so then everything else is softening up. And then just placing our fingers, our thumbs into the hairline, fingers above, and let's just massage in a round circular motion here as well. If the scalp is tight, it will drag everything else forward. Nice and light, and then the other way. And then just placing our hands onto our eyes, just a gentle breathe in for 4, in through the nose, and out through the nose for 6, calming everything down. And then massage front of the ears where we have plenty of lymph nodes. And then behind the ears where we have plenty of lymph nodes. And then down by the SCM muscle for our final lymphatic drainage. And on the other side, nice and light. Always want to swallow when I'm doing this. And then from the chin all the way down, literally our beginning position, where our collarbone is just above, we have some indentations. And if you can just use the pads of your fingers here and just give that a few gentle presses, this will release all the toxins and waste into the body, ready for elimination. Really important thing to do at the end. Now, I'd also recommend a nice glass of warm water to really hydrate the fascia and also to help with detoxification as well. And if you're not already subscribed, please consider subscribing. Check out my descriptions. I have some really lovely products on there, including my facial 11 botanical organic ingredients, my lovely facial oil. And I really look forward to seeing you in the next video. Okay, bye.